one of Batman's many villains. Here is CLAYFACE. Go Guru.
Hola. He came in a 2-pack with Batman, and Batman had mud on him in a gray suit. But who cares about Batman? Got like a ton of Batman. And I've only got one CLAYFACE. They used to make an old one for the cartoon series, but I didn't like him too much. Not enough mobility. This guy's awesome. His sculpt is beyond belief. I love thick midsection toys because they always look strong, and he's definitely one of those. His arms are made of really weird, just plastic, like a foam. Like I can bend his finger back and just snaps right back to where it was, kind of molded. And the same with these pieces in between here, like a rubber band or slingshot. It's amazing. I've never seen like anything like it on a toy. It's so flexible. And I guess it still bends, but I kind of like his pose. Yeah, it bends, so you can get like a cool twisty look to it. But I kind of like it out. So you can grab people. He's got cool like spikes and stuff that are all foamy. He can stand up on his own, which is nice. And he's got to be in my top 25 of favorite toys that I got. He's got a nice big bendy part right here, so you can just make him look insane. And that's just cool looking. I like him kind of hunched. And yeah, CLAYFACE was one of my favorite villains in the cartoons for sure. Because he could kind of make anything and swallow people up into him and suffocate them to death and stuff. He's a guy to have for sure. Like I would find him on eBay or something, just him. Don't even need that Batman. And now they fight. I'm made of clay, asshole. I am Clayface. None can defeat me. You're nothing to me. I will avenge the Batman. I'm Nightwing. You'll never defeat me. I've been trained by Batman. I'm the best there ever was. No, I can't breathe. Please, God, no! Oh, Damien. I've been waiting to fight you, so I can use my special attack of who gives a shit, you're a little boy! Azrael, again, why have you keep coming back? You'll never defeat me. I have a flaming sword. I'll turn you into hardened clay. Ha! See? I've trapped you. Now I can take you to Gotham City and put you where you belong. Oh no, what have you done? To all of them? All of them dead? Why, Clayface, what has driven you to do this? I don't like pointy ears. Oh no! It's a shame I didn't show up sooner. I was sipping coffee. I am winner!
Subscribe.